So this is Tanya. Oh my God. I woke up with a different hair. Ooh, do you like it? I'm still getting used to it. I mean, I like it, and I like it when I see it on people. But I don't know about me, but I needed to give my hair a rest from the brushing and everything. So this is my protective style. Why did I do it in summer? Oh, Jesus, only he knows. But I'm at Devon House where I'm going to be meeting up a customer and an IG friend who uses Taynas body care soaps, and I'm so excited. So I hope to tell you more in a little while when she comes. So hi, this is Tanya from Taynas Body Care, and I'm at Devon House. And today I have had the amazing time with one of my IG followers, and she's also my customer. And oh, it's been a wonderful. I talked her head off. I talked and talked and talked, but I think she enjoyed it. All right, and I'm gonna introduce you to her. Hi there, beautiful.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm great.
Do you want to tell them who you are?
I am Kemoy Duhaney. A big fan of Taynas body care, as you can see.
Yeah, look at that stash. But what are those boxes that are not marked? What's in those boxes?
Well, I made a special request for the lemongrass because I couldn't find it.
Right.
So I took advantage of that. And then I have these special new finds.
I'm seeing some really weird things on that box. Could you like to read what's on them?
So we have hemp, neem, peppermint soap with guinea hen weed.
Wow.
And then we also have avocado, honey, seaweed, and flax.
Woohoo.
And I'm so excited.
Yeah, we're going to be bathing in heaven.
So excited.
So today we met for the first time officially.
Yes.
And like people are hearing me say, I talked your head off.
But it was very inspiring. I learned a lot. We actually been on a mission to discover amazing products, beauty products specifically made in Jamaica. And one of your brands I discovered at a store in Kingston, and I fell in love with it. And then that's how I connected on Instagram.
Right.
And I was like, oh my God, her soaps are so amazing. I had to order some when I went to New York.
You said something to me in the first time you ordered online from our website, and you said to me you specifically search out Jamaican brands because you want to help to build Jamaica.
Yes.
That to me was amazing. And how have you found the Jamaican brands? Because I know it's not my brand alone, though I'm honored. How has it been since you decided to do that, search out Jamaican brands? That has surprised a lot of people.
Actually, I work in beauty. Went to FIT, started cosmetics and fragrance marketing, and I've been in the beauty industry. I worked at Sephora, different big name companies. I've worked for them, and I came to a point where I was like, you know what? Every time my family's from Jamaica, and every time I come, they always want these U.S. brands, and I was realizing that there was a lot of brands I was used to using that wasn't quite working for me anymore. So then I was like, so where else can I buy amazing products? And I'm like, well, Jamaica has lots of natural resources and great like food. So why wouldn't they have body care? Why wouldn't they have makeup? So then that led me on a mission to kind of seek out like what can I buy here. So I came on a mission to just get a lot of different brands, and I've been really impressed with. They actually work better, if not the same, as what I can access in New York.
Yeah.
And I'm to the point where I'm only using soaps that's made by Jamaican business owners. And I'm more specifically also interested in women business owners, because I realize in Jamaica that there's a lot of men, which is in the whole world.
Yeah.
But I feel like definitely women are big consumers of beauty. And why are males still making the decision behind those products, how they get marketed? And your soaps are amazing.
Thank you very much.
With a capital A.
Thank you.
I've been a huge fan. Paid the money to ship it, whatever it costs.
Got it in 5 business days.
Yes. Oh yes. That's why I was even more impressed with. Literally, like I sent you a text on Monday, did the order on PayPal, and I literally had the order before Friday, and I was in shock. I couldn't believe it. And it said Air Jamaica. I said maybe she shipped it from Florida, and then. So I was really impressed. The customer service and all it's been truly amazing. And what I love most about your brand is that it actually does what it says it's going to do.
Yeah. I have to say this because I'm really it's almost like I have a responsibility to keep the brand as good as it is. But I want to just take a moment away from myself. You are at Devon House. This is your second time to Devon House. Your Jamaican ancestry, but you weren't born here. Tell me what it is that why are you coming back here as often as you do? What is it that connects you to Jamaica, and how do you feel when you're here?
I was almost born here, so that's part of the connection. I realized when different family and friends from Jamaica, they only come here for vacation, but I didn't really have any friends or families who really came back to invest. So it's like once they got that chance to go abroad, I always kind of wasn't sure why they didn't come back or why they didn't spend more time.
Right.
I did have an uncle growing up who did come back every single year, but then stopped after his mom died. So then I was just like, well, then when I come back, and I see when I go to the tourist areas, there's different amenities, and then when I come to where my family's from, there's different amenities. So my overall goal is how can we bring more opportunities to Jamaica? I think Jamaica has so many different opportunities, but how can the everyday Jamaica realize how beautiful and wealthy their country is by experiencing wealth themselves?
Amazing.